Sorte's here. Nice to see
Nice
you.
to see you too, Jill.
I told you at the beginning of the show, I went to my planner, Megan, and I said, there are some things that I am seeing online that I think are so cute, are so great as gifts, are so pretty as decor. I have to have them. This was one of them. Oh my gosh, I am crazy for these, you guys. What you're getting from our friends at Temp-tations is a 2-quart bowl, but the bowl is like this cute little like serving piece in your choice of snowman or nutcracker or gingerbread man. In addition to that, you're getting 2 little ramekins that are 8 ounces, an embroidered napkin, a stainless steel spoon, and a recipe card. Let me just tell you real quickly, if we can go through each one individually, I want to do a real quick close-up. Here is your snowman.
Look how cute.
Next to the snowman, you have your nutcracker. Look at those colors. Next to the nutcracker, we have our gingerbread man.
And the minis are just as cute as the big guy, right?
Like here, look how cute the minis are.
Oh my God, 2 of those.
Right? So cute. Down here, this one is called Festive,
Yeah.
which is part of kind of like the floral lace
lace
look,
festive.
but done in a bell shape in all red and green. And then I just want to call them out because they are available, but I know it may not be the season. This was called Buffetti.
How cute
People
is that?
went crazy for this. Look, it's like the shape of a ghost, but it has spider webs and bats. So I know it's not the season now, but tell me you don't want that for next Halloween. So get it while we have it. And then finally down here, just to have for your fall, it's the shape of an acorn. Look at the mini acorns that go with it. This is called Harvest.
Yeah, that's our old world harvest pattern.
For people who don't know why Temp-tations is so incredible in the kitchen, what can it do?
Yeah, so this is why we love it so much. So you saw how cute it was, right?
Yes.
All the beautiful hand painting and detail, yet it's a workhorse in your kitchen, right? Because you can prep in it. You can cook in the oven up to 500 degrees, serve in it, bring it right to your table, store in it, pop it back in the microwave to reheat it, put it in the dishwasher to clean it. It's almost too good to be true, but it isn't. And you know what, Jill? You wait all year long for these seasonal characters to come out. Well, they're here. And here's the thing. We don't tend to do them the next year. We do something different.
Right.
So they're collectible at this point, right? So much fun.
The Festive, the Gingerbread Man, and the Nutcracker are all new this year. These are also customer top rated.
Yeah.
People who have bought them so far are loving them. They're all hand painted. Let's give people ideas. By the way, the recipe cards that come with each are unique to that shape, are they not?
That's exactly right. So we had so much fun making the recipes. Like for instance, the one for the snowman is the frosty ice cream sandwich cake.
Cute.
So you're getting a 2-quart baker, you're getting 2 8-ounce ramekins, you're getting an embroidered napkin. Look how cute this is.
Love that.
This is the snowman from our Winter Whimsy collection that we're looking at, and you get a coordinating spoon. And a couple things I just want to show you. Jill, not only hand painted on the outside, but look at this.
Yes.
When I tip it to the side, if you're a polka dot lover,
yes.
Look how gorgeous all the detail is there.
Look at that. And again, you're going to have that kind of pattern on all 3 of your figurals in terms of snowman, nutcracker, and your gingerbread man. And then let me just hold up that Festive real quickly.
So
that pretty
cute.
bell shape. Remember, they're all 2 quarts, right?
2-quart capacity.
But look how pretty this is on the outside. You have the red and the green on the inside, but then the outside, look, and that's all etched in there,
It is.
which
And
is
the
fantastic.
snowflake. What a great gift too.
Love.
Going to someone's
oh my gosh,
house,
so
right?
good. So
How
like
great would this
is the holiday way to do, like you could do your shrimp with your cocktail sauce. It could be chips and salsa if you want to. You could do, you know, your hot baked crab dip in here. You can, whatever you're serving for the holidays, you know, maybe it's your special stuffing or your scalloped potatoes. You can do all of those things in here for hot dishes, for cold dishes, for baked dishes. I mean, you could bake a cake in the shape of this cute little snowman.
Cute.
I said scalloped potatoes. I had no idea.
See how fast we are? You said
love
scalloped potatoes, we made them up
You
so
made it
quickly.
up.
So
Wow.
I actually think it's funny that we bring the snowman out of the oven.
Yes.
Right? But yeah.
He won't melt.
He won't melt. Oven safe to 500 degrees. So things like, scalloped potatoes. But what I love about it is you have the matching spoon that goes with it. So you're not reaching for anything, right? But you asked why before, right? Why Temp-tations? Because stoneware is naturally nonstick. So literally, look, I'm just pulling this all out of his hat, if you will. Right?
Great.
Down to the bottom of his body. Yet when we get to the holidays and we're all stressed out about keeping hot foods hot,
Yes.
Cold food's cold. Stoneware will do that for you, so you don't have to worry.
I love the fact that I have some things for the holiday that I don't have to be so careful about.
Yes.
You know, a lot of times your holiday dishes are your nicer china pieces, and you know, you have to wash them by hand, and you can't reheat in the microwave because they have gold trim to them. These are like, you can't kill them. Right?
Exactly.
Microwave safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe. The pattern doesn't scratch off. They have a beautiful weight to them. How about these as gift ideas? Hostess gift. Like, who wouldn't love to get a nutcracker or a gingerbread man or a snowman dish that they could use over and over and over again every single season?
Every year. And they become memories, right? Your kids say to you, hey, Mom, are you going to bring that gingerbread, that snowman out again this year? I think this one is super cute because this comes with a gingerbread cake recipe.
Cute.
But you mentioned before baking a cake in here. Exactly. You could turn this out and ice it, or you can leave it in here and decorate it.
He's cute.
But look how cute that is.
Darling.
Like, imagine that's your dessert, right?
How fun is that going to be with your kids and your grandkids when you're doing all of your holiday baking? You want your table to be festive.
Yeah.
Plus, when you're not using this as part of your holiday table settings, you leave this out in the kitchen and this becomes the wintertime fruit bowl.
Yes.
Or this becomes, you know, your Christmas cookie dish.
Oh my gosh, I love
so that you just have it sitting out with all your Cheryl's cookies on the inside. This looks fantastic.
So it's a pumpkin trifle. How
course it
adorable
is.
is this? So then you can put all your little toppings, if you will, in the little 8-ounce ramekins. But this is all about setting a table, but putting that wow factor on your table, right?
Yeah, it is.
And I love the idea when you get it home, on the bottom, on the back, write the year you got it. Because these are collectibles.
Yes.
And it's fun then to remember, like, yeah, I got that in 2018.
I was so happy we could put this in the show because I have to tell you, there have been 3 other items that I've requested from your holiday collection.
Yeah.
And that David Venable keeps selling them out in the kitchen with David.
How dare
So
you.
I was very excited that we could have one from Temp-tations in these wonderful, whimsical, I mean, look at the artwork. You still have your old world pattern in his scarf. Isn't that so cute? The snowman is very popular. He always is. So you're getting your 2-quart baker bowl, serving dish, whatever you want it to be. The 2 little 8-ounce, is that right?
8-ounce
8-ounce ramekins. You're gonna get your spoon, and then you could even use this napkin if you wanted this to be like for your hot rolls and things, like your bread basket, and put the napkin on the inside if you wanted to. Plus, you're gonna get that wonderful recipe card. Snowman, come look at our nutcracker. Come look at our gingerbread boy. Isn't he cute?
So cute.
Here is our beautiful festive. This was new this year. So look how nice and deep it is in that beautiful bell shape. And then down in front for your harvest and fall times of year, just in case you want to have it.
Yes.
Or if you know somebody who loves Halloween, like my sister-in-law, that would be a great Christmas gift.
A great Christmas gift, right? Yes.
And then there is that harvest design. That's our most limited. So if you want that harvest, please don't wait. Hey, Lisa Gleason, or Lisa LaSorte, sorry.
I'm so used to it.
I'm so used to it just coming
my
right
name
off
for a
my
long
mouth.
time.
I know. What is your favorite Christmas movie?
Oh my gosh, my favorite Christmas movie. Oh, Miracle on 34th Street.
Miracle on
I do like the